Hi guys, how are you? It's afternoon time and we are getting ready to leave. Yes. Where are we going today, babe? We're going to OCHO RIOS. Alright, so I have to take up this garbage. Oh, so we're going to OCHO RIOS today. We have a few errands to run, a lot of errands to run, and we also want to shoot the intro for this vlog channel.
So after a long journey, we are here in beautiful OCHO RIOS. As you can see, my wife. Hi, wifey. So beautiful OCHO RIOS, guys. We're just here chilling, and it's very noisy. So when we reach to our
we have a lot of errands to run.
So when we reach our mid destinations, we will stop and give you guys a hint up again. So
alright, so we just let me come. So we don't have any bags down. Only my personal stuff. So I just came from the bank and we're in general foods. We're not even buying anything for ourselves. This is a man has a friend who wants something, so he's here to buy it for him. I'm telling you that we're kind. Extremely kind. So we walk up and down and look teasy people. I don't even know what the hell to go into. Ooh. Yeah, Angela looks so nice. Sorry. Gosh. Oh, you're cool and nice and like outside. Jesus Christ, you don't want to go outside, man. I want a little juice, one big juice. I don't know nobody will. Fruit juice. Big man juice, you want Irish massage.
Yeah.
See the 130.
But then buy one, never buy two, never buy two, eat one.
Not buy not food, no.
Oh,
sorry.
Yeah, some people too.
Too sweet? So,
Buy the beans. You mix for that tree, right? You ready to store it on, yeah?
happy to have that also. Anything I give them there, we appreciate. They want to from here.
Which is?
One goes back to $600. What can you talk about this? Orange juice. Origin orange juice. See that is the big one, this one.
But why you not put it right top? It's right.
Come and say one goes there, just 600. Now, so it's gonna be.
This one?
Well, it doesn't matter both sides of both. It's just that you offer to buy and whatever. It doesn't really matter. Just buy something. And that's it. Except soda, you know that. And everybody drinks soda, so you're not buying a soda for people. Not today. Not today. Alright, you do that. Everyone go, we did go through.
Around the door.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. I'm freaking now. You know, so I'm hungry though. I'm hungry bad because I stand up in a stand up in a Sunday line so long. The bank line so long.
KFC
You already want to go to KFC? I'm tired of KFC. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I think
We want to go in.
I think we can't even go past Scotia today because the long line when we see that in CB. Look there, look how people are let's okay.
ATM.
Well, ATM show same thing like what the inside. Like until that Friday.
As a PDA.
A PDA and people now ramp with them pay. Yes. What else we did have to do today? Oh, I have to go over by courts.
Yeah. So let's go by courts.
I have to go by courts. I have to get my mother a yoga mat. Yes.
You can buy a 5 card, right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well, I mean, of course, because them African take card. Of course, that you know. No, but they're not supposed to take any form of a payment card.
Right, the manifest. Right now.
Right.
Burger King. Got a Burger King.
Oh.
Chase him. Never chase him.
Alright, I'm hungry though. I really want to get something to eat, so.
You guys are first.
You want to cut it off your ear? But I don't want to cut you guys off. It's busy here though. I'm kind of clumsy, you know, so I don't want nobody bunks me on and then this phone go drop out. And then no somebody go long out them out after me.
Well,
There's someone over here, so. our destination is at KFC. That was the final decision. But I'm going nowhere else. So, our here is so good. We are 153.
So we're in KFC.
I'm so hungry.
Finger licking good.
I'm so thirsty. Thirsty bad outside, very hot. Okay, you see? Anytime you come to Jamaica, if you're not a Jamaican or any Jamaican at all, please have no bottle of water because outside devastating. You dead thirst. Always have your water with you. Always have your water with you. Come here, look so soft. Wow.
Alright, there we come. People start take them coming. We now have no long footage for it. So here we are here. We're at the yoga section. We're in Quartz, Jamaica. And as you can see, Quartz, Jamaica. Is my wife. She's at the yoga section. She's gonna buy yoga mat. I think yoga mat for exercising. I don't know what color she's gonna choose, but how much for one? How much for one yoga mat? So that's the yoga mat. What's so special about the yoga mat? Huh? So but you should buy one normal mat. Mat. All mat is mat, but I think something special is for the yoga mat. Let's find out what's special about it. I want to know.
Next guys, so I got a yoga mat. Going to show you. And this is for my mom. She asked me to buy it for her, so I did. Just always use few one. So yes, we are left now. And the park just a walk away from here, so it's not very far. Even though the sun kind of blazing. I'm just terrified right now. But outside just hot kitchen now. Oh. Lucky you have on shades.
Sun scarred, you want to your shades?
You know, say you lady take it from me, brother.
Everything you give away.
That's what happened. The lady said she like. The lady said she like. Alright, so that was that. Oh, I'm so excited. I just want to come out there, sun and go in the shade, and the park just looks so green and nice. So nice. Oh God, I even used to this vlogging thing in my hand. I kill me. Alright. Opening hours, right? See? Then close 9 o'clock. I tell you. 8 o'clock to that. Start then close 9 o'clock. Yes. This is the park.
We are at the park. Yes, guys. So we are in Triller River Park, OCHO RIOS, Jamaica. What a lame idea. But we are in Triller River Park, OCHO RIOS, Jamaica, St. Anne.
Oh, everybody knows so without Jamaica. You don't have to say Jamaica. Over.
I want to say Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica.
Right.
Land of freedom. I'm free to lift my hand. So, I want to swing and swing song.
Scholars. We just a swing song.
You want to capture some moments.
So guys, guess what happened? Oh, we're going to try to do. We're going to try to get clips for our intro. So that we're going to try and you know. And we're going to just do everything. We're going to just try every way to get one nice good intro for you guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. You better subscribe. Yes. Because we're going to put the hard word.
So, we are here in Triller River Park and babes, they have like a turtle and there's a little baby turtle.
Wait, what else I want baby turtle came in even on
Look at him.
Oh! He plunged under. Oh.
Turtle
Nice big fish
and some
too.
nice fishes. As you can see, guys.
More turtle here, more turtle.
We're wow. Turtles.
Them? Then come up on this side. Come here.
Baby turtles.
We actually can't walk no other side here. That's the bad road. You gonna stop me?
No. This one not dead?
No, there was a hot day. That's all I could
Yeah.
It was so hot.
We really hot.
I am thirsty again.
Really?
So yeah, I'm very thirsty. Like I'm thirsty bad.
So
I'm thirsty bad. You know thirsty?
yeah, very much.
Thirsty man wants something to drink.
So as I can say, right, we're in beautiful Jamaica, and you know I'm glad to be back in Jamaica. I've been here 1 month now, or 2 months, 1 month and a half now, and trust me, as you can see, guys, I still have my complexion, and you know,
Just have a complexion. What do I have to do with it?
I mean, it's back to normal, cool, nice, less sun, and you know, we're just here to just take over back Jamaica, take over the world. What do you say? We're going to take over?
Yes.
So
guys, we hope that you enjoyed these vlogs.
yeah,
We
and
just want your continued support because we're going to come with these vlogs.
and don't forget,
Killing these vlogs.
don't forget guys, right? We are gonna be the ultimate vloggers, right? We're gonna take over. We're gonna go everywhere in all 14 parishes. 14 parishes, right? All 14 parishes of Jamaica. So we're gonna just dominate YouTube and take over and just put Jamaica back at #1 list. Anyway, I'll see you soon.
Oh, guys, as I told you before, we did a little mini intro in the park here, so you obviously see that when the videos start going up, that will be our intro. And then yeah, just tell us if you like it or whatever. We are not professional videographers, but we try our best to put the best out there so
you guys can enjoy,
so that you guys can enjoy it and feel pleased to be watching us. So we put a lot of effort in these vlogs, so we want to see a huge support from you guys. We're finally home, guys. Yes!
It was a rough day for us.
Very
My
struggling.
feet are killing
Feet?
feet. My feet are killing me.
Yes.
It's just strange, we can't add S to it. It sounds better with S.
No, not to me. No make no sense.
What about footies?
No, look here. No. Yeah, go
My
overboard.
feet is.
No.
Guys.
Alright guys, so guess what? The day was long, hectic. I had to take off everything, jewelry, lashes, foot, everything gone.
As you can see now, it's outside, it's very dark.
Yeah, it's nighttime now, so
We're just glad we are home safe, even though the journey was long, I hate long.
yeah.
I'm getting back fit, guys. Just more couple working out to do and everything. But trust me, just need some more working out, guys. Yeah, we'll be back here. You can see.
Guys, this is where we're going to end this vlog. I'm so happy that you guys join us. And if you are new, you're passing through and you see us, don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot more vlogs to come. And guys, just comment down below all that you want to see us do. Just comment, just tell us your thoughts about us, tell us where we need to improve in our vlogs, because we really want to continue these vlogs because we enjoy being in front of the camera. I enjoy being in front of the camera. He's kind of camera shy in public sometimes. I'm not, so I don't really care, but we're going to get these vlogs going. So guys, just thumbs up these videos, it really helps us, and we'll definitely see you